This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in the foyer of a Doncaster layout, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, with a den. There's a terrific kitchen off to your left as you walk into the apartment. White cabinetry with 42-inch uppers for additional storage. It's a pantry cabinet. Stainless steel appliance package includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. There's a built-in microwave, 5-burner gas range, white quartz counters, very wide undermounted farm-style sink, spray attachment and the gooseneck faucet. Have a gray tile backsplash. There's both Trek and pendant lighting. And you're looking at plank flooring and high ceilings that extend throughout the living area. Off to your right, as you would have entered the apartment, is a utility closet with a side-by-side front-loading washer-dryer. Heading back toward the bath, there's a closet with shelving for linens, oversized bath with a wide vanity, 2 banks of drawers, cabinet for additional storage, a wide shower, great vanity, great bath. Heading back toward the bedroom, it's a coat closet. Bedroom is carpeted, plenty of space for furniture. Sliding glass door leads out to a balcony. And there's a walk-in closet. Overall, really good storage in this apartment. The den is on the opposite side of the apartment from the bedroom. Would make for a great home office. The den could even function as a sleeping room for guests. Lots of space in this apartment. Deer Park Crossing has a very convenient location just across the street from the Deer Park Town Center. Has a great suite of amenities that includes an outdoor pool and a clubhouse with a fitness center and resident lounge areas. Everything is new here, and you want to put Deer Park Crossing on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.